Hello everyone, welcome to the second part of multiplication of matrices. In the first part we understood how to apply the rule of multiplication in simple and easy step. If you have not seen the first part of this video, I recommend please see that video first. I have given the link in the description box. Now let's see what is given in our first question. In our first question we have a matrix A given here and we have to evaluate the value of a square minus 4a. Now let's first of all find out a square. A square means a into a, so we will multiply the matrix A with A using the multiplicative rule. So this is of order 2 by 2, this is of order 2 by 2, they are multiplicative, and the order of the resulting matrix will also be 2 by 2. So here 2 by 2 means 2 rows and 2 columns. So here we will have 4 elements inside this matrix. The first element here will be a11. So first row, first column, this row will be multiplied to this column. 1 into 1, 1, and 1 into 8, 8, 1 plus 8 gives 9. Now this is 1, 2, which means first row, second column, so this one will be multiplied to this one, 1 into 1, and this one will be multiplied to 3, so 1 into 3, 3, 1 plus 3 is 4. Now this position is 2, 1, second row, first column, 8 1s are 8 and 8 3s are 24, so 8 plus 24 is 32, so we have this a21 is 32. Now this position is a22, second row, second column, 8 1s are 8 and 3 3s are 9, so 8 plus 9 is 17. So a square is coming this. Now let's find 4a. We will multiply 4 inside this matrix, so we will get, now let's evaluate the value of a square minus 4a. This gives this is our answer. Now let's do our next question. In the second question we have a matrix given here and a matrix equation. We have to prove that this matrix is the solution of this matrix. For that we will put this matrix in this equation. All the matrices here are of order 2. This is I, unit matrix of order 2, I2, which is also called identity matrix, and we have to prove the left hand side equal to this null matrix of order 2. Now let's substitute the values in this left hand side. I will do the multiplication in fast mode, so please refer to the part number 1, how to apply the multiplication rule in the multiplication of two matrices. Here we will multiply 2 inside this matrix and 3 inside this matrix. Now adding the elements according to their positions. Right hand side, hence proved. Let's do our next question. In the third question we have to find out the value of x and y according to the given equations. I have written them here. Here this one is of order 2 by 2 and this is of order 2 by 1. The column of the first is same as the row of the second, therefore they are multiplicative, and the order of the resulting matrix will be 2 by 1. So let's multiply. In this, we have to equate the left hand side with the right hand side. So let's first of all solve the left hand side here. Solving this, we will get two linear equations which we will solve by elimination method. Equating the elements according to their positions on both sides, we will get applying elimination method. So the value of x is -1. Putting x is equal to -1 in this first equation, so the value of y is 5 and x is -1. Let's do our next question. In question number 4, we have an equation given in which m is in multiplication to this matrix and gives this matrix. We have to find out the order of m and also the value of matrix m. Let's take the order of m as r by c. The order of this matrix is 2 by 2 and the order of resulting matrix is 1 by 2. Now if m is multiplicative to this matrix, then the column of m is equal to the row of this matrix, therefore c is equal to 2. The resulting matrix will be of order r by 2, which is 1 by 2 here. Therefore the value of r is 1 and c is 2. So order of m is 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 means 1 row and 2 columns. Now this position is a11 and this position is a12. Let's take a11 as x and a12 as y. Therefore m is x y. We will put now m in this position and we will multiply these two matrices and then we will equate it with the right hand side. Multiplying these two matrices, equating the elements according to their positions on both sides, x is equal to 1 and x plus 2y is equal to 2, putting x in this. Therefore m is, now you have to make sure that you may give your answer in the matrix form. If you leave your answer in x and y values, you will not get your marks. Now let's do our next question. The fifth and the last question is similar to question number 4, in which when this matrix multiplied to A gives this matrix. We have to find out the order of A matrix and also the value of matrix A. Let's take the order of A as r by c. The order of this matrix is 2 by 2 and the order of resulting matrix is 2 by 1. Now if A is multiplicative to this matrix, the row of A is similar to column of this, so the value of r is 2. The resulting matrix here is of order 2 by c, which is here on the right hand side 2 by 1. So the value of c is 1. So the order of A is 2 by 1, which means 2 rows and 1 column. Now these are the positions of the elements. This is A11, first row, first column. This is A21, second row, first column. Let's take A11 as x, A21 as y. So A is, now we will substitute A here in this equation. We will multiply them on the left hand side and we will equate them with the right hand side. multiplying these two matrices, equating both sides according to the positions of the element, we are getting two linear equations. I am applying elimination method. So the value of y is 3. Putting y in one of the equation, so the value of x is 2, and hence the value of matrix A is this. Make sure that you may leave your answer in the matrix form. I am sure you have understood how to do questions on multiplication of matrices. If you have any query, write to me in the comment box. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.